Welcome to the Daily Interlake's Local Events Podcast. I'm your host, Melissa Wells. Northwest Montana is full of great opportunities to get out, have fun, try something new, and support your community. Here are a few ideas for this week. Check out the Daily Interlake website for a full list. Look for events in our navigation or visit dailyinterlake.com/events. Stay tuned to the end to learn how to have your event appear online and in print for free. Let's find your next best time. We'll start out with a few music opportunities. This week, you have two chances to see one of my favorites, Kelly Diane. Friday, May 17th at 6 p.m., you can find her at Water's Edge Winery in Kalispell. And on Saturday, May 18th, head north to the lodge at Whitefish Lake. Kelly Diane will wow you on her keyboard and, if you're lucky, the accordion. Want a taste of what she has to offer? Check out the Daily Interlake's first Press Play concert on our YouTube channel. I'll drop the link in the description. The Flathead County Fairgrounds hosts Keeping It Country with Daryl Worley and Andy Griggs. The evening includes special guest and local legend John Dunnigan, who is also one of our Press Play artists. If you don't know about our Tiny Desk-esque lunch concert series, sounds like you will soon. Performing again this year at Kalispell's Conrad Mansion is Forte pianist Daniel Adam Maltz. A rare chance to hear this Vienna-based artist perform Mozart as it was intended. It looks like there are a few tickets remaining for the Friday, May 18th performance at 7 p.m. For a quieter take on your week, join Flathead Lake State Park and Flathead County Library at Wayfair State Park in Big Fork on any Tuesday in May from 4 to 5 p.m. for a BYO book club. Introverts and book lovers unite to read silently along the lake. Adults only, please. Our friends at Bias Brewing in Kalispell have some unique offerings this week. On Sunday, May 19th at 3 p.m., Bias Brewing and The Making Place host a free presentation on traditional and natural hide tanning methods. And on Monday, May 20th from 5 to 7 p.m., bring your green thumbs to their houseplant swap in conjunction with the Flathead County Library. Bring your cuttings and starts to share and swap. And if you haven't yet joined a downtown Kalispell walking tour with the Northwest Montana History Museum, you should. Learn about Kalispell's architectural history and modern reuse, as well as prominent citizens and early settlers. I also heard you'll learn where to spot ghost signs. Various times and dates through September. Tickets are on sale now at flatheadtickets.com. Thanks for tuning in to our local events podcast. Check out the description for links to all mentioned events, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'm your host, Melissa Wells, and I'll be back next week with more events to get you out and about. If your business or organization has an upcoming event that you'd like featured on our online local events pages or in this podcast, simply visit dailyinterlake.com/events and add your event for free. Events from our online local events calendar are also printed weekly in the Daily Interlake on Thursdays and also in the Whitefish Pilot, Hungry Horse News, and Big Fork Eagle. If it's happening in Northwest Montana, you'll find it on dailyinterlake.com/events. See you out there!